G'day guys, Hussein from laptoprepair.sydney with another screen repair video. Today we're doing a repair on an Asus F555 LD. This basically goes to all Asus F555 series, no matter what the extension is. Get a pick, separate the bezel from the back cover and peel it off. On this model, the bezel does not include the hinge covers that you can see at the bottom, so it's pretty easy to get off. Usually when the bezel and the hinge cover are in one part, makes it a bit more complicated. As usual, don't apply too much force when removing the bezel because they quite thin plastic and you don't want to break it. Bezel is off the laptop. 4 screws on the corners of the screen. Remove those. The screen will easily tilt forward towards the keyboard. Undo the sticky tape that holds the LCD cable in place. The tech is doing the wrong thing here by unplugging the cable before he does the tape. That might damage the cable or the connector. I do not recommend doing that. There's nothing else connected. New screen plugs in. Gotta be a bit careful when you plug in the cable. I mean, that's the most sensitive part of this job. If any of the tiny cables or the connector is damaged, you're gonna have to replace it. It gets a bit ugly, you're gonna have to go onto the motherboard, etc. The screen is on now. Testing the screen. Make sure everything works fine, no dead pixels, no discolorations or anything else. Screw the screen back in, remove the film. It's a very fine film. If you see any letters on the screen and you think that they're dead pixels, they look like dead pixels, make sure there is no film on the screen. Now the bezel goes back on. When you put the bezel back on, you want to make sure it's clipped all the way around, and you can do that by closing the lid and checking at the bottom of the lid from the back to make sure that it's all clipped in. Thank you very much for watching another video from laptoprepair.sydney. If we can be of any help, please call us on 028081 2555. Thank you.